What's up, everybody, man? This is your boy, this is your boy, Justin Kicks. Let me, turn this box over here. I was trying to get it in the shop, but as you can see, it's a little too big. Got a little something special today. Double unboxing of two shoes I picked up on clearance. Yeah. And like I said, I was going to break it into two, but I was opening the box and they both in there. So I said, let's just go ahead and do it all at one time, man. And, you know, I ain't gonna lie to you. Some people may call this a Hypebeast pickup, or, you know, something of that nature, or impulse buy. Most of the buying I've been doing lately has been impulse buying. So, you know, I'm not even gonna hold you on that. But these two, you know what I'm saying? The fact that they were on sale and you had to mark down with the additional percent off was the main reason I went ahead and scooped both of these, and just something that I personally just want to have in the collection. One, I know I'm going to wear a lot. The other one, both of these will be my first time seeing them in person, but one is more of like a retro sneaker that got updated. The other one's a whole other thing. So let's see here. Let's see, best way to do this. I'm gonna pause it real quick, set this box down, and then let's get into these shoes. All right, so I'm back, man. Opened up the box and everything like that. Had to take the hood off. It's getting a little hot. Let's go. Let's jump into this one first, man. So, like I said, got the double unboxing. Hypebeast alert may be in effect on both of these. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna try to make up excuses. It was late night. Sale went on, and start popping on Twitter certain shoes you could use the discount on, and I jumped at these pretty quick. So let me get into this one first. Got a Nike. Some of y'all may be able to tell from the box exactly what this is. You got the orange, or I don't know, peach color box with the white front. Pull out box here. We got the Nike Air Skyline 2. So that probably should give the rest of it away. Let's go ahead and bust these open. And I also thought with this one, actually, because of the colorway, I would be able to wear this this summer. So I thought this would be a good summer shoe to have as well, just based on the colorway. But let's get this out. It's the Nike Air Skyline 2 Fear of God from Jerry Lorenzo. Another one out as well. And this one, and I said this was like a retro sneaker, but with some updated touches. So let's go ahead and get into these. You got all white upper. It's got like a felt material here on the sides. You got some nylon here. Patent leather black Nike check. You got a pair of, now it's got a pair of white rope laces in it. It's got an additional pair of like a bone or cell color rope laces, and then a pair of basic flat white laces. Also, looking for a little hints here. The tongue on it is actually nice. You got it's a leather tongue in here, like a perforated leather. You got the toggle lace lock on your shoestring there, and on the inside, if you can see, let's see there. You got a white Air Fear of God written on the inside. And let's see here. Okay, and on the back panel there, I don't know if you can see that, it's got Fear of God written there in cursive as well. So I ended up getting these for what I felt was a good price. I don't know if you remember back in the day, I had the, they actually re-released them, but I had them at some point. I can't remember how long ago it's been, but the Skylines, when they first brought them back out, had like the pastel blue and like bright pink colors on them and that stuff. I bought a pair of those because they was going down real cheap on those, and these are comfortable to wear. And I actually thought with having an opportunity to get something with Fear of God and get a shoe that I knew I could wear this summer and be comfortable, I went ahead and jumped at the chance. It's actually got leather on the inside as well, and you know, I mean, it's a straight shoe. Like I said, if they hadn't have been on the clearance or marked down with the 25% off, I probably wouldn't have got them. But I'm happy that I did pick them up, man. Real happy I picked them up. Got like a you know, like a off-white sail color mixed with the white and the patent look. I just think it'll be a nice clean summer shoe if we get to have any type of summer, you know, with everything that's going on. But either way, man, Fear God Skyline 2s, man. So that's the first one I got there. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. And again, you know, my inner hype beast was coming out a little bit. It was also late night, and I've been doing some impulse buying. So this is one that I have never seen in person. I have seen online, and one that was really mixed reviews on this one. Some people really hated it. Other people was picking it up, thought it was different. I do think it's different as well, and I do love shoes that draw attention, whether it's positive or negative, and are conversation starters, and this is definitely one of those. So let's go ahead and get into this one. You'll be able to tell probably from the box what this is, or who designed it anyway. But let's look at this one for the first time together. And there you go. You got the off-white Vapor Street. Let's see here. The off-white Vapor Street with a tour yellow, black, and light bone. All right. And like I said, you can probably tell from the box it's got the holes and stuff like that. I've seen other people's reviews on the box. And this is one that actually dropped a while ago, and I think sold out on Nike. And then I started seeing them pop up at some outlets from place to place. And I think that was because, as you know, they didn't have like an extreme resale or anything. And so you had a lot of resellers out there that probably bought them and then returned them. And this could be one of them, I don't know. But last week, Nike had popped them back up when they had that clearance sale start. And with the 25% off discount. And they had 3 different colors. This was the color I liked the best. And went ahead and picked them up, man. Like I said, I don't have an off-white in my collection. And went ahead and got them. So I know it's, and you can go ahead in the comments or whatever, let me know what you think about them. Like I said, it was an impulse buy, but it was something that I wanted to see in person, man. I had never seen a shoe like this, and it's crazy, it's wild, and I want to see it. So let's go ahead and get into some of the details. I can tell you right off the top, I'm looking at it and I see probably 5 or 6 different colors just right off the top. And whether they go together or not, I have no clue. It has like that plastic mesh material over top of it that looks like you could almost peel it off to a certain degree. On top of that, you have a huge, and it's probably on my first impression, my favorite part of the shoe, this huge Nike sign that goes from the upper down into the midsole and back up. You have this orange, like neon orange shoestring that's on the outer panels of the shoe that goes through these pink eyelets. And then you have this one black metal eyelet at the top. Then you have the normal shoelaces here. They have black laces in them, and it's got those famous shoelaces. See that, which you've seen before, but it's got the shoelace written on the edge of the shoe. There you go, upside down. You got the shoelace written on the shoelace there, so everybody knows that from Virgil shoes. You have a blue tongue, and it's got that deconstructed look that you know is one of his trademarks as well. So you got the blue tongue, blue around the ankle, and then inside you got the yellow big Nike check again, and it's got the off-white with the information. Then on the inside you got the off-white for Nike, Vapor Street, Beaverton, Oregon, 2019. So again, this is a shoe that I didn't want to see in person. I am going to wear the shoe, and I want to give a review on if it's an actual wearable shoe and what I'll wear with it. I have no clue, but I do want to wear it. It's got like a off-white grayish midsole here that's huge midsole. It's over 1.5 inches, something like that. On the bottom, you got the spikes with a little bit of I guess an orange color around each spike, and then the pink Nike sign on the bottom. It's a real different shoe, man. No doubt about that. No doubt about that. On the back, once you peel that like material down, you can see it's got like a silver back tab with white Nike written on it. And on the inside, under the mesh, you can see a silver Nike sign that kind of matches that back tab as well. This one's got one of Virgil's other staples here, but this one's green. I think on the other ones, it may be orange or a different color. Green on this one. And then this one has shoelace written on the rope lace as well, man. So anyway, like I said, like I said in the comments, let me know. I know there was some hype beast going on with this, but let me know what you think, man, of the pickup. It's if anything, it's one of a kind. Whether you like it or you hate it, it is one of a kind. Not a shoe. I know with a lot of Virgil's other shoes, it's usually a silhouette that is known and loved as far as the Jordans and things like that, the Air Force Ones and those shoes. But this is a little bit different. And like I said, I just wanted to get my hands on it and see it in person and try it on and wear it, man. And it'll go in the collection with the rest, man. I've got stuff in my collection that I know other people would not want or had no desire to get that I love and did want. So it is what it is. And I didn't have either a Fear of God shoe or an off-white shoe in my collection. So now I've got both. And I got them both for under retail. You buy what you want, like what you like, and wear what you want to wear. So you got your Fear of God Skyline 2, and then you got your off-white Virgil inspired and designed Vapor Street. So there you have it. That's my double unboxing from latest pickups from Nike. Been buying a lot of sneakers, as I said. I just dropped a video yesterday for my Court Purple 1 review. So if you haven't checked that out, go check that out. And luckily this morning I was able to pick up the DMP 6s. Now, based on IG and looking online, a lot of other people were able to pick them up too, which is great, man, because I didn't have the shoe from the original pack. I can't wait to get my hands on those and take a look at those as well and bring you a review on those as well. So probably be seeing a lot of reviews on them because a lot of people was able to pick them up. And then the other Fear of Gods, I think, come out next week. The Triple Black, the original Fear of Gods, not like a retro shoe that he put his touches on, but his actual design shoe. I think that comes out next week as well. And want to remind you again, man, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, especially on this video, man. Comment what you think on these two pickups, man. Honestly, you know what I'm saying? I know it's a lot of you out there that would not buy this shoe for sure. You may buy this one, not really because it's Fear of God, but just because it's a nice silhouette. It's an original Nike silhouette that you could wear with a lot of things, man. So give me your opinion. Let me know what you think. And again, man, this is Justin Kicks, and I'll get out of here, man, and I'll holler at you next time, man. Oh, let me remind you, once you do hit that once I do hit that 1,000 subscribers, we are going to do the Nike gift card giveaway. I'm at like 890 or something right now, growing a little bit at a time, man. And you know, it's a slow process, but at the same time, I know when I do gain somebody, it's somebody that's watched the content and subscribe because of that. So I'm down to have ride or die people that's been with me from the beginning. And like I said, when I get a chance, I want to give back to people that have taken an interest in me and support me, man. So this is Justin Kicks. I'm going to get out of here. Holler at you next time, man. Peace.